Meaning of forbidden.
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 Forbidden. Forbidden means something is not allowed or prohibited. When something is forbidden, it is against the rules to do it or possess it. For example, smoking in a non-smoking area is forbidden, as well as stealing or cheating in exams. Forbidden things are often considered taboo, with severe consequences if caught doing them. These consequences could range from being fined, reprimanded, or even facing legal charges. Overall, forbidden actions are actions that society deems inappropriate, and individuals would face negative consequences if committing them.